You slipped away like a whisper in the dawn. Left no goodbye, just a heart withdrawn. The space you filled is a hollowed out room where shadows dance in the lingering gloom. Every question I ask is no reply. Every tear I shed is a muted cry. You're gone without a trace, left my heart to roam, chasing empty echoes of the love I called home. I'm lost in the silence where your name still burns, waiting for a reason that never returns. I search the stars for a sign of your soul, but they're cold and distant, like the truth you stole. Your laughter's a ghost that haunts my nights, a fading flicker in these dimming lights. Every hope I cling to freeze and falls. Every memory traps me in these walls. You're gone without a trace, left my heart to roam, chasing empty echoes of the love I called home. I'm lost in the silence where your name still burns, waiting for a reason that never returns. Did I love too hard or not enough? Was our story fragile or was I too tough? You left no map to the pain you gave. Now I'm drowning in the waves of your grave. You're gone without a trace, left my heart to roam, chasing